This is AIX, your daily dose of AI news.
Have you noticed how everyone is obsessed with the newest AI chips, but nobody is talking about where these chips actually live? We are quietly watching the largest infrastructure build-out in human history happen right in front of us. Nvidia just pulled back the curtain on how they are powering massive, gigawatt-scale AI factories, and it completely changes how we think about computing. These aren't just giant air-conditioned warehouses anymore. They are entirely automated, living ecosystems. Nvidia calls it DSX, and it is basically the ultimate blueprint for building these massive centers. But the wild part is how they actually build it. Before a single physical rack is placed on the floor, they build the entire facility in a digital twin using Omniverse. Imagine playing a hyper-realistic simulation game, but for multi-billion-dollar AI infrastructure. They simulate every drop of cooling, every power cable, and every network connection virtually before spending a dime in the real world. And here is why this actually matters to our daily lives. The sheer amount of energy these AI factories need is staggering. Right now, most places over-provision their power by up to 40% just to play it safe. That is a massive waste of electricity. Nvidia's new system fixes this by using AI to manage the AI factory. Yes, AI is now managing itself. Teams of AI agents constantly monitor the physical servers. They dynamically grab stranded electricity from quiet racks and instantly route it to the racks doing the heavy lifting. They are even using a breakthrough hot liquid cooling system running at 45 degrees Celsius to completely slash water and energy waste. More power goes to making the AI smarter, instead of just keeping the room cold. But this is my absolute favorite part. These factories actually talk to your local power grid in real time. If the city's power grid gets stressed and needs relief, the AI factory dynamically throttles its own power usage to help out. It operates cooperatively with the grid instead of just blindly draining it. Before the end of the decade, 100 gigawatts of these AI factories are going to light up around the globe. We aren't just building faster computers. We are building an entirely new planetary infrastructure. If you want to stay ahead of massive shifts like this and actually understand how AI is rewiring our physical world, hit that subscribe button to join the AIX community. I'll see you in the next one.